Hi, this is Bill Wood with Disciplined Trading Decisions. It's time for the weekend update for the S&P 500. But first, trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Welcome to the weekend update for Monday, March 13th, 2017. We are covering the ES E-mini, and you can see we've been going up for quite a while now. And that just looking at the volume on the past, on this last large move up, the volume was not real impressive. And we left a little bit of a tail up here on the monthly. This is the low of April 09, and if we put a Andrews pitchfork here on this area, this April of, I guess, 11, then that is a pretty good flow for the market on the way up. We've had several weeks without a real pullback. If you want to just say starting from here, that would be first week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 10th week. It did breach this low, but it didn't close below it. This is a daily. I thought this Andrews pitchfork showed a pretty good flow of the market. Of course, here the market really took off and changed its flow, and didn't quite reach this extension, but just so far we've only pulled back to the 20-period moving average. No real damage yet. So on this 4-hour chart, you can see that we took off up in here, and then this is where we got some agreement on price. It popped out, and now it's back down into this agreed area of price between, say, 23.58 and 23.70. So on Monday, March 13th at 10 a.m., you have labor market conditions. On Tuesday, the 14th at 8:30, you have the PPI, which may cause some action. Wednesday is the big day. You may not get anything until Wednesday. Wednesday is the big day. FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. and they may make a decision about rates. So I would definitely be careful on that day. Okay, this is what I'm seeing here. The ES has a good low, temporary lows, and a poor high. This means that there wasn't a lot of acceptance down in this area, not a lot of trading, that the volume ran out, and that we may have gotten a little long trying to push this higher. Poor high. I expect prices to test and possibly exceed 23.74. Again, you can see on the day time frame chart that it stopped at the 20-period moving average, and it could just balance in here until Wednesday and we get the report. Okay, bottom line, we have a range in here, contains about 6 days worth of trading, and on Wednesday we have a report, so we could just go sideways in here until Wednesday. Monday, if we open up within this range, we're probably going to be pretty dead. Now, if we open up outside of this range on Monday, that means that something has changed, and you have a lot of trading that is going on here that they may have to cover some positions. You may get some short covering or long liquidation. For me, because of the decent lows that we have here, I would expect that we're going to break this high right here. So I'm going to be watching these two highs, this one here and this one here. If it cannot reach this level on Monday, I would expect it to roll over and maybe even break the low. Again, it all depends on how it opens. So if we open within range and it tests toward Friday's low, I may be looking here at this high volume node to see if we get support there. So if we could reject off of this high volume node, I may try to buy a pullback and play that to the opposite side. If we do open in range and we break below this low here, I'm going to see if we get rejection, and then if we come back into range again, I'm going to try to get long, maybe take one off here at the high volume node and see if we can get and break this high. Again, nothing major, nothing might happen since we have the announcement on Wednesday, so we could break this high here and just come right back into range and then spend the rest of the day in here. So I wouldn't be playing any breakouts. I can imagine them extending the range a little bit, but I don't really see a breakout unless something has changed and we open outside of this range with some strong volume. Well, that's what I have for today. This is Bill Wooden. If you're watching this anywhere other than my blog at disciplinedtradingdecisions.com, please go there now and check out our other resources. And while you're there, please sign up for our weekly newsletter. And this is a reminder to trade according to your trade plan. Don't do what I do. You have to believe in your analysis of the market in order to stay disciplined and true to your plan. Hey, I really appreciate your likes, your comments, and your shares. It all helps to get the word out. And remember, stay motivated, stay focused, and stay disciplined, my friend.